cut the little piece off that I was talking about. So let's go see how it fit. So it's fitting up there perfect now since I cut that little edge off. Now I can screw my bolts down so I can have my AC. Let's go. Got my bracket on. Yeah. Now let's put this compressor on. I know I got a piece that I gotta put right here. Just gotta find it. I'll be back. Sheesh. Let's check back here and see what we can find. Oh, voila! Look what I done found. I found the AC unit I was looking for. It's the one that came with it. I took it off and never put it back on. But I'm gonna put it on now. Let's go. As you can see, I have my AC compressor on. Now I got to hook the bells and whistles that goes onto the back so I can hook it up and run it back over to there where it goes over to that connection down there. So that's where I'm at now. So yeah, the AC came with the truck. Hey, so why not keep it?